Comparison of the best Samsung flip and foldable phones. Network technology. Launch announced status. Body dimensions. Display type. Display size and resolution. Display protection. Platform. Chipset. Processor. Graphic unit. Memory storage. Internal memory. Selfie camera. Main camera video record. Battery. Performance. General price. Reasons to buy and reasons to avoid. That's a wrap on today's comparison. We hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour through the fascinating world of smartphones. And if you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech-related content. Also, let us know in the comments which smartphone you're